न लिंपता सुख दुःख येणे आकारे क्षोभोनी नावेक होय आपणिया सन्मुख आपणची जो. When the joy and the sorrows they arrive in one's life, तेडे आकोरीने आकारे क्षोभोनी न नावेक. See? So, when the joy and sorrows come in our life, joy and sorrows, what are akara? Akara means thoughts. See? Mind is without any shape. When there is a thought, there is a akara. So, the shape is that of the joy, sorrows, gain, loss. So, na limpata sukha dukkha yene akare kshobo ninave kahoya. And therefore, if we are able to stand apart, that the joy is eliminated by me, the sorrows are eliminated by me, therefore, then I alone is with the joy and I alone is with the sorrow. So I am everything. Therefore, joy and sorrows are not other than me. See? When we say joy and sorrows are not other than me, means what? That the vision and the colors and forms are one. Therefore, colors and forms cannot influence the vision. See? So these two things, colors and forms are expansion of the vision, and therefore colors and forms are the effects, vision is the cause. The effects cannot influence the cause. In the same manner, the joy and sorrows are possible if I am there as the illuminator. So I alone become the joy and I alone become the sorrows. Therefore, joy and sorrows cannot influence me. If this is recognized, then what will happen? We will go through the experiences of joy and sorrows, but will not become the joyful or the sorrowful. And therefore, hoya apanaya sanmukha, then we will be able to experience ourselves in and through every experience of our life. See? It is something like what? There is an instrument and you don't know whether the electric power is there or not. So what we do? We fix that instrument in the socket, and if that instrument shows that there is power, then we know, yes, there is electricity. Without that we will not know. We can't touch electric wires and find out. Then exactly the same way, when the subject and object, when they are coming together, the spark happens. That spark is the divine presence. Therefore, seer or the experiencer is anode and the experience is the cathode. When they come together, the truth is revealed. But what happens? Instead of revealing the presence of the truth, what happens? That we become identified with the joy and sorrows, and some personality is precipitated which doesn't exist. See? Therefore, na limpata sukha dukkha. See, sukha dukkha means what? Presence and absence. Sukha dukkha means what? Dvandva. Sukha, joy. Absence of joy is dukkham. Dukkha, miseries. Absence of miseries is joy, sukham. And both of them. So, when one is present, the other is absent. When the other is present, the first is absent. In short, the one who is eliminating all the dvandvas, all the dualities. See? Dualism rather, not duality. He and therefore the seer and the seen are one. So, hoya apadiya sanmukha. When this is recognized, that if I am there, then only my wife is there. See? If I am there, then only the son is there. If I am there, only then the father is there. So, I alone is the father, I alone is the husband, I alone is the son. In this manner, when we are able to recognize that hoya apanaya sanmukha, then we will be able to recognize whatever is seen is not other than me. So two approaches. One, whatever is seen is illusion. Second, whatever is seen is not other than me. Now the impact of these two things will be what? When we take everything experienced objectively is an illusion, we will be free from the desires. See? And when desires are not there, then again the same experience. And what will be the experience? Everything is none other than me. And therefore, the wise people do not love anybody. Like the mother doesn't love the child. She has love for the child. See, friends, these two things should be clearly understood. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma and Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya. So the Mithyatva aspect of understanding will free us from the desires. And Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma will be able to lead us to the natural love. We will not love anybody as an action, but we'll have love for everything. See? Therefore, na limpata sukha dukkha yene akare kshobho ninaveka hoya apanaya sanmukha. Apanachizo, then we will be able to recognize that we are alone experiencing ourselves.